Hey you! Welcome to Mandala Art Natasha. In this tutorial for beginners, I'm going to show you how to create dot mandala step by step with simple explanation and useful tips. For this work, you will need one mini canvas 10 by 10 centimeters, 4 different shades of one color, and if you're not sure which color to choose, I recommend you to take a look on this video in which I prepared the paint for this tutorial. And my color choice is monochrome blue ultramarine gradient. Then you need dotting tool, aka nail art tool, a brush, pencil, ruler, compass, and a bit of black and white color. First, we're going to paint background on mini canvas in black because black gives the most beautiful contrast to every mandala. And the reason why I choose canvas for this tutorial is because I believe that for every beginner it is easier to learn dot art on flat surface first, and after that there will be more tutorials how to create dot mandala on a stone. Now with ruler, pencil and compass we are going to create guidelines to make it easier for you to place dots. First, we will create the center of the canvas. Place the ruler diagonally from edge to edge and draw a line with a pencil. Then do the same in the opposite direction. Find the middle at 5 centimeters on each side of the canvas and draw a straight line through the center. Now place your compass in the center and draw 7 circles with a distance of 5 to 6 millimeters between each, and you will not make a mistake if you create more or less circles because the guides serve to make the mandala precise. I'm going to start with darker shade of blue palette and with bigger dotting tool to place my first dot in the center. The next step is placing small white dots around blue dot with the smallest dotting tool. Do your best so that the small white dots are as close as possible to the edge of blue dot. Lighter shade is next one. Place dot on each guideline the way you see in the video. The next color is the second lighter shade, and we're placing dots between each of previous 2 dots. You can always add additional guides like me now for better precision. Make sure that there is always a little bit more color on the dotting tool because the dots will have a bubbly shape. Q-tip is must-have tool in dot art because if you make a mistake, you can easily wipe it off with it from any surface and without a trace. With white color, place small dots in the middle beneath each blue dot because we will make the first petals of our mandala. Dip the smallest tool in white paint only once and place dots near the edge of blue dot. Do the same on each dot and from both sides. With the most lighter shade, we're going to create next round by placing dots between each like we did with previous one, and to repeat the process with creating petals. Now with middle-sized tool, we're going to fill this empty space with the darkest blue shade by adding 2 dots here and the third one beneath them. And repeat the process. We're almost there. Thanks for watching so far. We continue with darkest blue and making slightly bigger dots by lightly pressing the tool and leaving more color on the canvas. We continue with creating petals, now using all shades of color palette we made, starting from the darker to the lightest shade. Place lighter shade dot between each petal. And now you can see the importance of guides. Place another lighter shade dot beneath the previous one and repeat petals. At the very end, we have to fill some empty space with white dots and this one with blue dots. And here we're going to create a little cross of white dots. These whiteys are cherry on the top. Congratulations! You have successfully created your first dot mandala. If this video was useful for you, well, hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching!